This place, Ira, is history.
It's a Brooklyn institution.
The place is closing. Why isn't he here?
Because I hired everyone and we felt that I should talk to you all. Now, in terms of the particulars.
I don't have a job. How much more particular does it need to get?
Excuse me, Arthur, but when is this gonna happen? Is this like immediate?
3 to 4 weeks.
If you ask me how I'm living, I'd say.
Don't some of you girls like get scared of it, you know, actually going in and not coming out?
No, it's not possible. No, not at all. But what's the guy's equivalent to the vibrator? Like, is there some sort of like...
Fills me with rage and I want to tear apart the place. Eric! Bilbo Baggins! Good to see you too.
My identity is shaped by my parents. They come from two very different worlds.
And your mother, she's always, she's discovering things.
Summer, put that back on.
You ever thought about maybe temporarily giving in?
You mean like converting to Islam?
No.
I think you look cute in the scarf. Could play around with it.
You gonna wear that to work?
I have finally found something that makes me happy, and you want to mock it instead of maybe learning something.
Learning what? How to hide behind scarves and holy passages instead of just saying you want to be accepted for once.
I didn't know you got down like that. Photos everywhere. You're a hashtag.
I see some of my young Muslims flaunting their bodies and using Islam as a way to be liked. But I say to you, young woman, stop before your photos become actions.
I'm becoming someone I don't know.
I introduced her to the truth.
No, it is your truth, Jade. It is your truth.
My mother throws God at me, but I was born to smoke as fire. She was born of clay. I may never see my mom again. She disappeared in a holy book for another day.
I know what you did, Summer.
We want each other. We both want each other. And a religion can't stop that. I'm sorry. I am a smokeless fire. I am a smokeless flame. They call him Jinn.
But
do it! Man, calm down, man! Calm down! Calm the fuck down! Oh! Are you sure that's him? Are you sure? Tell him! He's gonna hurt you! Tell him! I can't!
I told you it's him.
Get it! Cut his fucking arms off!
Heart attack! Where are you meeting? How many? Who's involved? Get the teeth. This is for Eugene. We're done here.
I myself didn't lead discussions. I felt this would inhibit the class, and my philosophy then was to disinhibit.
Okay, comments? Anyone?
So sad, then what is she doing getting all sexualized over a horse?
Sexualize isn't even a word.
I think that is a word. Yeah, here, as if her body was rising on some large, warm happiness. I mean, that doesn't sound the least bit horny to anybody else. Large, warm, happiness.
You are so sick.
I'm sick.
Mm-hmm, you.
Sexualize, adjective. Make sexual, attribute sex or sexual to.
Okay, can we get back to the story?
Yeah, we all know about these horsey girls going out to the barn and brushing them and all that. Marie Antoinette, she had sex with horses.
That was Catherine the Great, you idiot.
Doesn't matter who it was.
They had to use the crane to lower the horse down on top.
Oh, dude, imagine if that was your job.
It's not my job.
Okay, any other comments? Emily? My comment is that Brendan's just making stuff up to get attention. Gross. You are made of gross.
You'd know.
What?
Okay. Don't say a word. I won't fucking kill you, okay? What the fuck y'all doing out here? You're a long way away from Westwood. I can't believe we're being marked by black people and whites. This is so stereotypical. What, did you just slap me? What, are you on your period? Shut that motherfucker up. All right, I'll shut up. But you do nothing to help your people's self-image. Come on here, white boy. Let's go. I'm gonna teach you a little lesson. What? Get away from me. Oh, let's get up out of here. Come on, come on.
What's your name, boy?
Jacob Oliver.
Jacob Oliver. Stage came in from Newton this morning. I'm looking for a girl that was on it. Driver here?
No, sir.
Well, who switched the team?
That'd be my pa.
Is he here?
Asleep in the back.
Well, come on, show me. Come on now. Show me where your dad is. Walk any slower, you're going backwards. Mr. Oliver, listen to me now. This is her. You see that? And that's what she looks like right there.
Yeah, I saw a young girl with reddish brown hair.
That's the girl. Where did she go? Did you see where she went?
I did see this young fellow, Rig Marlowe.
Rig Marlowe. Where would I find him?
The Rusty Spur.
Good morning. I want to say this, man. I need you guys to push that subscribe button, too.